Hey everyone, I'm Brian Trades. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your TradingView chart with 3 simple indicators I use along with my strategy, how I enter my trades, and my risk reward and stop loss. Let's get into it. Alright, so here I have my SPY chart. I usually start my mornings on the 15-minute to plot where my support and resistance levels are. I like to use prior day high, prior day low, pre-market low, and pre-market high. These additional green lines for resistance and support for red are places on the chart that show resistance, as well as the S for support that determine support levels. My 15-minute, let's start with a blank canvas, that way we can see exactly how I do this. Alright, so this is a blank canvas. My 3 indicators I use is volume, VWAP, and the EMAs. The EMAs I use particularly are the 13 and the 200. The 13 and 200 play a significant role on direction of the market. The red is the 200. If you scroll in here, that small green is my 13 EMA. When we're having trend up days, it's going to be following the 13 pretty closely. And this is on a 5-minute. On a 2-minute, it's going to be doing the same thing, riding the 13 EMA. The blue line on the chart is my VWAP, and that follows closely to the 48 EMA. That's kind of like a line in the sand as far as trending days. So above the VWAP, as long as it stays above it, it's going to be trending up. If it crosses below, same applies, it's going to be trending down. Today is Sunday, so you won't see a pre-market. So I take my horizontal line and plot prior day's high. I like to put that in white and label it prior day high. I'll go ahead and clone that and rename that prior day low. So here's your prior day high and prior day low. And this is from Friday's January 3rd. You will not see pre-market yet because it's Sunday, but I like to also include pre-market. I'll do 2 more additional lines, and I like to do that. This is how I keep it simple here. Also on the 15-minute, if we have these top wicks, alright, we can create zones in addition to these pre-market low and pre-market high levels. That way, when the stock gets close to that number, it could be in a zone and not the actual level, right? Because it's a little bit before, a little bit after, kind of like a rubber band. So I'll take rectangle tool, get the top of the wick to the body of the candle, and just draw it across. Same for pre-market low. Fast forward to Monday, up in the 5-minute. If I know my stock is going to be reaching 592.41, I'm going to have my eyes on it. So I normally have alerts, okay, on both sides. So if I know if it comes here and I see no volume, okay, it's most likely going to be a range day. Okay, it's going to come up here, bounce from prior day high, pre-market high, depending on where it lands. You know, it could be way up here. I treat all of these levels as resistance or support depending on where the market is at open. So scrolling to the left, you can kind of see how if I draw this out, this is kind of like it's been a known support or resistance level in the past, as the price action reflects off of this level. Alright. Same applies for prior day low. See how it kind of broke out, came back in, and now it's like a support and level, resistance level here. So if I don't see volume come up to these levels, I'll normally enter a short position, and my risk reward is literally just above this prior day high level. And depending on how far down the pre-market low will be sitting. That'll be my first take profit area. And if it falls through the prior day low, then that's even better. Zooming out to the 4 hour, you can see this trend line forming. Trend lines are great too for an additional confluence. So if this massive 4 hour breaks, you'll know about it. Create those alerts on TradingView. It's free. That way you're not staring at the chart for hours. Let the market tell you what it's doing. You can even draw one here for this top. Go ahead and give it a label so you know what the lines mean. I'm going to go ahead and plot QQQ. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. Here I'm drawing the yellow circles for indications of the chart that have significance and how it reflects from the support and resistance levels. So here I got the trend lines, the highs and lows, pre-market highs and lows, and ready for Monday. Let me know in the comments how you plot your chart. This is Brian Trades. Thanks for watching.